Hello, my dear students. Today, I will discuss in this video about the structure and uses of present perfect continuous tense. Before this, we have to understand what is a present perfect continuous tense. Children, this tense indicates that something started in the past and is still continuing at the present time. That means, although it already began in the past, but its effect is still being continued in the present time. See the structure. First, we will read about the positive form. As you can see, first subject, then has or have been, verb plus ing, and then the rest of the sentence. He, she, or it. After that, we are using has been. Remember, children, in present perfect continuous tense, we have to use been after has or have, and then we have to use verb plus ing. So he, she, or it has been riding a bicycle for 2 hours. Similarly, I, you, we have been riding a bicycle for 2 hours. After he, she, or it, we use has because this is third person singular number. But after I, you, we, they, we use have because I is first person singular number, you is second person singular as well as plural number, whereas we is first person plural number and they third person plural number. So that is why after all these words we will use have. Next we will read about the negative form. As you can see, in the negative form, first we have to use subject and then has or have not been plus verb plus ing and then rest of the sentences. He, she, or it has not been watching the cricket match for an hour. Similarly, I, you, we, they have not been watching the cricket match for an hour. Now we will read about the interrogative form. In the interrogative form, there is a slight change. As you can see that the auxiliary verbs, that is has or have, it precedes the subject, followed by been and then verb plus ing. As you can see, has he, she, or it been learning English for 2 years? Have I, you, we, or they been learning English for 2 years? So children, this is the structure of the present perfect continuous tense. Now we will read about the uses of the present perfect continuous tense. As you can see the uses of the present perfect continuous tense. Here, it is used to describe an action which began at some time in the past and is still continuing, as I have already said. For example, Raj has been working since 8 a.m. That means Raj started to work earlier, that is 8 a.m., but he is still continuing his work. Next, since is used to indicate the point of time, and for is used to indicate the period of time. As you can see, he has been sleeping since 3 p.m. That means since 3 p.m. he has been sleeping and the effect is being continued till now. Next, he has been sleeping for 2 hours. Next, you can see the present result. As you can see the example, I have been working. Now, what is the present result? That is why I am tired. The cause of my tiredness is I have been working. It may happen I have been working for many hours and that is why I am tired. So children, I hope the uses and structures of the present perfect tense, continuous tense is clear. In the next video, we will start with the simple past tense. Till then, stay fine. Thank you.